Hi sewing friends, I'm Karina from liftingpinsandneedles.com, and today I'm here to share that Pattern Emporium has a t-shirt on sale that is half off. The name of the t-shirt is Besties Tee, and I've made two of these in the past. There's two silhouettes here. One is flared, it's not full swing, but it's just got a little bit of flare, nice amount of ease, and the other one is banded, hip band. You can sew a cropped, a regular, and a long version. You can do 6 different types of necklines, rounded, high, mid, low. You can do 2 types of square necklines. This is one of them, by the way. High square and low square. It's not a full square, it's sort of rounded here, so it's easy to sew with a neckband. Super pretty, love this. And then you have a V neckline. It's an easy V neckline technique that just overlaps. Other options as well include the sleeves. You can do sleeveless. One is slightly narrower than the other option of sleeveless. There is a full circle flounce, which I've made as well. And then there's a cap, short, 3/4, long length. So plenty of options for you. And there are other sleeves from other patterns that can be mashable to this one as well. So you could end up with a bishop sleeve, with a puff sleeve. The sale ends tonight if you're in this area of the world. If you're in Australia, Saturday noon. You'll find my affiliate link in the comments, right at the top pinned, so it's easy to find. If you use my link, you don't pay anything extra. It just supports the work that I do here on YouTube because I receive a small commission back from the designer. Please check out my previous video review where I go over all the t-shirt in much more detail and include a lot of the sewing as well. Let's see my Besties tee out of a really wild ITY with stripes and polka dots. This is the Besties tee from Pattern Emporium. It's more of a swing style top, a bit more ease, tons of options. I've got a V neckline. This is ITY. I've got a full circle sleeve, which is super, super cute. Check out the print here. It's just really cool. I had a lot of fun making this one. Love those options that I chose. Let's see it on with my turning point skirt, also from Pattern Emporium. This top is a little looser, so do have a tuck on the side. I think it's really nice in ITY. It's got lovely options. Of course, it's going to look great with a black skirt. That is how the top looks. I could also wear it tucked out if I wanted. Love having this. Check out those flutter sleeves. So cute. And this print ITY, I was so happy to find it because it's just unique. I chose a deep V here, but there's many other neckline options. Let's have a look at this beautiful one. It's more a wintry one. This is my rib knit version. It's super nice. It's got the hemband. It's not extremely tight. It's very nice. Back then when I made it in 2022, it's a size 18. I would be making a size 16 now, but it's still super nice, super comfortable. I love this tone of green. Check out this squarish neckline. No mitted corners there, so it's easy to sew. This is nice. I'm not showing anything. I'm not exposed. It's all super, super nice. Sleeve fit, shoulder fit, very, very comfortable. This is my Besties tee paired with my Urban Flare pants, also from Pattern Emporium. These are knit pants made out of French terry. Even though they are wide leg, they are fitted at the waist and hips, and that's why I think it looks nice with this banded top. I love the combination, of course. Got matching green sneakers. It's a really nice casual, comfy outfit, but still really nice. Love the length of the top. You know, there's options. You can make it shorter or longer, but right here at the mid hip is perfect for me. I love t-shirts that you can make for summer and winter and have so many options for, because you can make so many of them and no one's going to know it's the same pattern. So nice. Hope you take advantage of the sale. I hope you have an amazing rest of your Friday and an amazing weekend. See you back here next week with more sewing. Bye.